just go and open a whole ton of them, and I might even try Forex as well and see if it gives me anything. So I'll open all those up, and you can just like quickly scan through them. Let's have a look.
And
Oh,
welcome to my WordPress review.
someone's
Someone's
talking.
and I'm a
Here we go. There's some lady called Colleen Slater that decided to turn on like an audio file like as soon as you get to the website, which I find is one of the most annoying things. I would never do that, and I don't think you should either. So if you're ever building a website and you want to put some audio on it, make sure that it's like user initiated, so if somebody wants to listen to it, they can click it and it will play. Don't ever just like force it upon your visitors, because that's a really bad example of usability, and you know, some people might just leave straight away because it's annoying. Anyway, so back to searching for themes. I can tell straight away this one is ugly, so I'll close it. And I can tell that this one is not very helpful. Here's an actual Forex one, but again it's ugly. Same website. This one, I can't even see where the finance theme is. And this one again. And this one, that's very basic. So just on that, I might make a point about writing good content, and also making the content available for whoever's come to your site searching for those keywords, right? So just then I closed about 5 different windows, of which 3 of them potentially had absolutely no content that I was looking for, and 2 of the other ones just had, you know, ugly looking stuff. So you want to make sure that the content on your website is good and it's truthful to the search terms that people are coming to your website for. This one here is a paid site. You can see it's $59, so not interested in that. And geez, not having too much luck here. Not interested in that. Okay, I think I'm back to this one. This one might not be too bad. It just looks ugly because the screenshot here is being stretched out. So you should try and look for a demo, which is here. So I'll click the demo link. Date August 7th, so most likely it's pretty recent. This doesn't mean this is the date that the theme was created. It just means this was added to this site on this date. But chances are, if they're being added recently, then it's a recent design. So demo theme. Okay, that's not working. So again, no luck at all. But I'm interested in this one here. So let's have a look at the theme name, WP Cache. Alright, so I'll search this and see if anyone else has it, because a lot of the time you'll find that the same theme can appear on multiple websites because they just distribute them. Let's have a look. Here we go, live demo. Alright, finally a working blog. Alright, so the background is kind of cool. It's got that gold, I guess, money theme to it, and the logo is pretty nice. You know, don't forget it's free. And this here is where your the name of your blog should go, or will go. And they've got page links up the top. They have a sidebar that's kind of missing a little thing here that should say categories. Ad space, and even little room for YouTube videos. Let me click one of these and check it out. So this is what a post will look like with comments, and they've even got like a banner space here. This is a 720 width area, I believe. So it looks a bit better than the rest of them. So I'm gonna try it out. So I'll download it. Download link. Okay. So here we go. I've got it now. And what I want to do is go back to my installation, which is where? Here it is. Okay. And under appearance, there'll be a link called themes. Oh, and by the way, you can find themes from this section as well. If you go to install, there's like some links here. You can either check out the newest or featured or recently updated. You can also search by keyword. So I might have a look through here first, see if there's anything else. Finance, nothing. Alright, great. Money. Money. Here we go. Oh, it's hardly money, this one. That's not money. Or is it? This theme is 3 columns and perfect for make money online. Well, what's that thing at the top? I'm curious, so I'll preview it. What are they? Like fish bites or something. Deep fried bits of fish. Okay. So I'll get out of there. This one's kind of cool. Preview. Yeah, I don't mind this one. I like the little background here. That's cool. So what I might do is install this instead. Alright, so change of course in the tutorial. So if you do manage to find something you like through WordPress, then it's a very simple process. You click install and it should do it for you. So I'll finish that off, and you need to go, you can either activate it here or you can go back to the themes page and it should show up. Here it is here. Okay, so activate, and now if I go back to my blog, hopefully it works. There you go, it's working. And even my sample post that WordPress installs for you, it's working. I'll click on it and the comment is there, everything's working, it's all cool. So that was that was kind of lucky for me to find this. And so I'll go back to my home for this page, and if you look in the little thumbnail here, I don't know if you can see, but it says host to, that's not good, host to get, just there. That's the title of the blog. So if I change it right now, go to general, under settings, site title, here we go. So best Forex systems, and I'll just quickly change this. So what I'm doing here is telling WordPress what my address is. Like, it can be that you can access it this way or you can do it this way. It's just a matter of preference. So go ahead and save the changes. Now if I refresh this, you should see best Forex systems here and up here as well, and you do. Alright, cool. And that's actually kind of a nice font as well. So now I have my WordPress installed through Fantastico. I've got myself a decent looking theme just to get rid of that ugly, the ugly default one, and I'm ready to blog. You know, I can go back, test 1, 2, 3. I can go in and start adding categories, which are done through here. So I can start that, or I can start making new posts. So the posts are what will show up here, and pages, these are what you see here, so they'll show up here, right? And you can also put, add plugins. So plugins are little modules that help expand the capabilities of your WordPress blog. You can do anything from adding forms really easily to having like a photo gallery, like a nice one where when you click the pictures they open up in this, it's called a light box, you've probably seen it before. That's just like, just to name a few. There's so many different plugins that you can use, and one that you should do whilst I've got you here is to add the all-in-one SEO pack. So this is going to help you customize your posts with metadata. I'll probably get to this in a different video, but for now, since you're here, you should just I'll do it again. Go to plugins, add new, and search for SEO, and you'll see the first result. I can click on details and show what it's about. Last updated a month ago. This is pretty important to look at whenever you're thinking about adding plugins. You want something that's been worked on recently, and it also actually tells you what it's compatible to, and it's fine for my version, and obviously a lot of people have downloaded it, so that's a good sign. Click on install, and that's done, and you can activate it this way. Must be configured, but I can get to that in another tutorial. So that's it. So it's pretty easy. Just go to your cPanel. Just a quick summary. It's kind of slow. Here we go. Come on, Host Gator. What's happening? Down the bottom, Fantastico Deluxe. Click on WordPress, new installation, and then follow the prompts. Very easy. And then log into your WordPress, come to themes, install themes, search by the keyword, or you can use these options here, or just go for the newest ones, because the newest ones are going to be compatible, and you'll find some nice ones. I'm sure there's one here that even gives you a Facebook look and feel. Let's check that out. I think it's loading. Eventually. Maybe not. Alright, but you can tell from there. It's exactly like Facebook, isn't it? So yeah, so pick a theme, click on install, activate the theme, and also don't forget to go to the plugins, add new, search for SEO, and grab yourself the all-in-one SEO pack. And that's going to be enough to get you started. You can start typing posts straight away on your chosen topic, and then look for more of my tutorials in the future, where I can show you how to configure this plugin, for example, or how to optimize your blog or get links so that you can start ranking in the search engines. My website is www.theonlineincomecoach.com, so you're all welcome to come and visit and check out some more free advice. See you next time.